Come with me today. I'm excited to show you this unduplex here on the east end of Panama City Beach. Let's go check it out. Welcome into this great, what used to be a duplex. You come right into this wide open space, but it doesn't stop here. I want to show you these 5 bedrooms and everything else. Let's go. So you have ample space. If you're going to have full capacity at 5 bedrooms, you've got plenty of space for the kitchen as well as dining and even just some extra spare spaces here. Now I'd like to show you the bedrooms. Welcome to the main ensuite. It is in the back of the house and there's so much space here. What you'll also notice is the floors are tiled throughout and that allows for that coastal feel, the water and the sand perfectly. And this is an ensuite. You've got a full bath, 2 dual sinks, you've got your large shower, so it's perfect for a vacation rental. And in Florida, outdoor living style is definitely a must. And out here, you've got this nice, expansive patio, a fire pit. You can eat outside, and I love this. Welcome to PCB. That's everything. For more details on living here in paradise, look in the description below. I've got the listing link there for you for all the finer details. And don't forget, subscribe to our channel, thebeachshow.com, so you don't miss any of this.